Hello and welcome to Homeyhuts. Let's talk about a powerful feature that unlocks advanced control, which is available within your Homeyhuts host control center, which is channel settings. Please note, this screen will only appear for properties connected to the channel manager. Once you're inside your host control center, head over to the properties tab. From here, click on to the property where you want to make the changes. In the last option, you can navigate to the channel settings. Here in availability settings, you can set your minimum and maximum night stay restrictions that will apply across all your connected OTAs. Now let's say a long weekend is coming up and you want a minimum of 2 nights per booking. Simply click onto the bulk update option, select your date range, select your desired days and check the minimum stay arrival box. From here, you can update the minimum stay as 2 nights per booking and hit on save. And that's it. Your restriction will be applied across all your listings. Similarly, you can restrict long-term guests during these busy periods by setting a maximum night stay. By default, it is set to 0, which means that there is no restriction. Anything updated above 0 will apply the limit. And same way, for the minimum night stay, it is updated as 1 by default. Next are your dedicated Airbnb settings. Since your listing is connected to our channel manager, many settings become limited on Airbnb site itself. You can update those crucial details from here. Remember, any changes made on this screen will only reflect in your Airbnb listings. You will have 3 main options here: availability settings, price settings, and booking settings. In availability settings, you can choose how soon before arrival a guest can book and set the maximum number of nights a guest can stay. Then in price settings, you can update things like discounts, extra guest fees, cleaning fees, and your maximum guest capacity. And lastly, in booking settings, you can control your cancellation policy, set your check-in check-out times, manage instant booking, and adjust your guest controls. And that's it. Managing your availability, pricing, and Airbnb preferences is now easier than ever. All your key hosting controls now just a few taps away. Try out our new channel settings today and take full control of your property. Until next time, happy hosting!